Hey, if you got group insurance, you need to listen to this. A lot of people think that group insurance, which is also employee insurance, health insurance, they figure that it's something that it's the best. Everybody thinks that, oh, I have employee insurance, so they figure that that's good enough, or that's the best insurance there is. Because back in the days, that's just the way it was. If you was working and you had group insurance, then you were good. But honestly, just because you have employee insurance does not mean that it's the best insurance out there for you. Everybody's different, and every insurance is different, so you got to find the one that's best for you. Not because it's your insurance from your job, and it doesn't mean anything, because group insurance, as same thing as employee insurance, is based out of a lot of different factors that come into play. They might not benefit you, or it might benefit you, so you got to kind of see what they actually asking you, or what they're actually giving you, and kind of compare it to other insurances. Because group insurance, I'm not sure if a lot of you guys are not aware, it's the different things that you have to use, that they use to kind of come up with the price. As you know, it's group insurance, so that means everybody at work is together into one insurance. So at the end of the day, what happens is they use the age as a factor. They use if you're a woman or if you're a man, they use that as a factor there. The age thing is a big thing, because let's say you're 30 years old and you're working a job where a lot of the people there are 80%, it's 50 and up. So they're gonna base it more on a 50-year-old insurance than a 30-year-old insurance. So that's not gonna benefit you. It's gonna benefit them maybe, but it won't benefit you if you're 30 years old. So you might be paying insurance more for a 50-year-old, which is probably double of what you could probably get out there in the market overall. So those are the main things they use. Afterwards, they also can use, as the years pass, if it was being used a lot, then they take into consideration and get declared like a high risk group plan. So then they actually add more to it as far as your premiums and your maximum out of pocket. So like I said, you have to kind of make sure that you're getting the right plan, and kind of look over it and see. And when they give it to you, read it and see if it's something that benefits you. Go out there and see if you can find a better solution. Just because, like I said, don't just get caught up with the fact that it's a employee insurance. Hey, but that doesn't work that way. You have to kind of make sure that it's the best thing for you. The other factors come into play too, but as far as like if you're working in a construction company versus if you're working in an office, so then you're gonna get a higher insurance premium because you're working in a construction company, because you're more liable to get hurt versus if you work in an office. So all that stuff, all those factors are used to be determined the insurance policy for you and for everybody at work, because the same one is for everybody. It doesn't just apply to you. Everybody gets the same price. So hey, if you're 50 and you're working with a lot of people that are 30 years old, it might work better for you. But if you're 30 and you work with people that are 50 years old, 60, then it might not work. So what I'm trying to say is just you have to kind of look everywhere else first. So we'd be glad to help you if you want to find out if it's the best plan you have is the one you have at your job. We can tell you, we can give you other kind of quotes, explain to you what you have in yours as far as deductibles, premium, maximum out of pocket. Like we can explain to you the whole thing that you have now, and we can compare it to what we can probably out there get for you and offer you, and see what's best for you. And at that point, you make your own decision. But like I said, group insurance, employee insurance, it's not what it used to be. It's totally different now. So please do your homework, look around and see what you can find. And if you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks.